Yes, my wonderful people, going to repair this birkenstock slippers. You don't see it in a terrible condition already. So you're going to repair it. I have two. So you're going to repair them. I'm in a terrible condition. When I done, you will see the finished product. So yes, my people, already done clean it up and put it back together. So put on a lift. Yes, so be lean. So I put on a lift. This will be lean. So you're going to sand down here, sand down most of it. When I'm done, I'm going to give it a much better all here, so you're not going to see that color. So you're going to put on this and you will see the finished product. So yes, my peeps, although you don't stick it, going. Yes, my peeps, although you don't stick it, going to cut it around now. Going to cut it around. I'll show you how. Yes, blessings, my people. Already done it. Already done nice it up. Give back a nice color. And already done put on the bottom. So you need your own repair like this. Check me, guys.